My name is Jeff Jacob Jeevan. I am from class 6. Today, I would like to speak about unity in diversity at Kerala. I hope all of you know the values and history of our state, Kerala, come through. Unity in diversity is a concept which signifies unity among individuals who have certain differences among them. These differences can be on the basis of culture, language, ideology, religion, caste, ethnicity, etc. Here in Kerala, people of different religion, caste, culture to live together peacefully and respect the opinion of others. I think unity in diversity certainly enhances the quality of teamwork. The flood in Kerala has surely brought out the best in people. People in Kerala definitely played a great role in relief activities nowadays. We achieved considerable success in democracy, education, health, and women empowerment. People in Kerala enjoy a quality life that compare favorably with many developed countries in the world. Our concept of unity in diversity is effective in solving various social problems and reduces the chances of other disturbances. When we stand together, we get freedom from all kind of negativity. I request all of you